Imagine you and your friends want to organize a school carnival. You need to decide what games to set up, how much money to spend, who does what, and how to make everything run smoothly. Guess what? If you're doing all that, you're actually managing a project. That's called management. So what is management? Here's a simple definition by Mary Parker Follett. Management is the art of getting things done. In other words, management is about making plans, giving tasks, helping others work together, and making sure everything is done properly. Think of a movie director. The actors act, the camera team films, and the costume crew designs outfits. But the director makes sure everyone is doing their job and the movie turns out great. That's management. Why is management important? Without management, things can turn into a big mess. Even the best football team can lose if the coach doesn't plan strategies, guide the players, or manage time. In schools, businesses, hospitals, everywhere, management helps things run smoothly, saves time, and makes sure goals are achieved. Functions of management. There are 5 main parts or functions of management. Planning, like deciding what needs to be done. Example, planning a class trip. Organizing, setting up everything to make it work. Example, booking the bus and assigning groups. Staffing, choosing the right people for each task. Example, selecting a team leader and helpers. Leading, guiding and motivating the team. Example, encouraging your classmates to follow the plan. Controlling, checking if everything is going according to plan. Example, making sure everyone arrives on time and follows the rules. Real-life example. Let's say you're opening a small juice stand with your friends. You plan what to sell. You organize who buys fruits and who manages money. You choose who works on which day. You lead by reminding and helping your team. And you control by checking if sales are okay and customers are happy. Congratulations, you just managed a mini business. As Peter Drucker, a famous management expert, once said, management is doing things right. Leadership is doing the right things. Good managers don't just give orders, they help people do their best and work together. So next time you plan, guide, or organize something, remember, you're learning the skills of a great manager. If you enjoyed this sketch explanation, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. More fun topics coming your way, one sketch at a time.